In today's recipe, I'm going to be showing you how to make Githeri, and Githeri is an East African delicacy that everyone enjoys, especially when you are in high school. You eat even more Githeri. But today I'm going to be showing you a very nice way to eat delicious and amazing Githeri. Yeah, so let's get started. So here I have a pot. I'm going to switch on my gas and then I'm using medium flame. To my pot I'm going to add oil. Then next I'm going to add my onions. Then I'll stir. Wait for the onions to get soft or translucent. You can brown them a little bit, but not too much. You don't want to see burnt onions in your food. I absolutely hate when I find burnt onions in my food because it doesn't look very nice, yeah? Once the onion have started browning, I'm going to add 2 cloves of garlic. Stir. Then I'll cook my garlic until fragrant. You just want to give the garlic a little color. Don't wait for the garlic to burn. Once the garlic is ready, I'm going to add 2 tomatoes. Stir. This is actually my lunch. As my tomatoes cook, I'm going to add carrots. Stir. Then I'm going to add my spices. I'll start off by adding a little salt. A 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Some cumin, like 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. Some garam masala. You can find all the ingredients listed in the description box. And if you enjoy watching my videos, don't forget to give my videos a thumbs up. As my tomatoes cook, I'm going to add 2 Royco cubes. You can use Maggi, you can use Knorr, whatever you have at home. So I'm using the beef one. Add this in. Stir. And as my tomatoes cook, I'm going to tell you about my Githeri. So here I have pre-boiled Githeri that is defrosted. It is an East African food, and the process of making Githeri, you just boil maize and beans. That makes Githeri, and then you fry it in tomato sauce, add spices, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. Yeah. So my tomatoes are ready. I'm going to add my Githeri. So I boiled green maize and rosecoco. That is what I used to boil. That is what I used to make my Githeri. Something about making Githeri delicious, you have to balance out the spices. and the seasoning so that you can get absolutely delicious githeri. You know how we used to eat githeri in high school and it is just flat, salt and oil? Nope, this is not the recipe. Today we are making amazing githeri. So you'll add water and then you let it simmer on medium for 5 minutes. Then I'll stir in my githeri and let this cook until thick. So this is how my githeri is looking. I'm going to add in my green capsicum and coriander. I love eating my pepper when it's crunchy. And then I'll stir in the coriander and pepper. And once everything is well combined, my githeri is ready. So I'll turn off the heat. And now it's time to serve. So I'm going to serve my githeri in a bowl. Then I'm going to add my githeri. Just like that. You can see how good looking it is. My githeri is ready and I am excited because it is going to be so delicious once I start enjoying my lunch. So thank you so much for watching and I hope to catch you on my next episode.